Welcome back everyone, I'm Rachel and in this video I'm going to go over the structure of the fifth metatarsal bone. Firstly, where is this bone located? The fifth metatarsal bone is located in each of the feet. If we look more closely at the dorsal view of the right foot, which is the top of the foot, we can see the fifth metatarsal bone highlighted in red. If we look at the plantar view of this right foot, which is the sole of the foot, we can see it again highlighted in red. Now we are going to look at the different landmarks and features of the fifth metatarsal bone. This bone has three regions, a head distally, a base proximally, and a body also known as the shaft in between. The distal surface on the head of this bone has an articular surface for articulation with the fifth proximal phalanx. The lateral side of the base of this bone bears a large tuberosity. The base of this bone only has two facets for articulation with other bones. The medial side of the base has a facet for articulation with the fourth metatarsal bone. The proximal surface of the base of this bone has a facet for articulation with the cuboid bone. Let's now look at the articulations this bone has with other bones. This bone only articulates with three other bones. The first of these articulations is with the fifth proximal phalanx. The articular surface on the distal surface of the fifth metatarsal articulates with the articular surface on the proximal surface of the fifth proximal phalanx. The second articulation is with the fourth metatarsal bone. A facet on the medial surface of the fifth metatarsal articulates with a facet on the lateral surface of the fourth metatarsal. The third and final articulation is with the cuboid bone. A facet on the proximal surface of the fifth metatarsal articulates with a facet on the distal surface of the cuboid bone. What about the muscles that attach to this bone? 7 different muscles attach to parts of this bone. The lateral head of the fourth dorsal interosseous muscle attaches to the medial surface of the shaft of this bone. The tendon of the fibularis tertius muscle attaches to the medial side of the dorsal surface of this bone. The tendon of the fibularis brevis muscle attaches to the tuberosity of this bone. The third plantar interosseous muscle attaches to the medial plantar surface of this bone. The opponens digiti minimi muscle attaches to the lateral surface of this bone. The tendon of the abductor digiti minimi muscle attaches to the plantar surface of the base of this bone. A portion of the flexor digiti minimi brevis muscle originates from the plantar surface of the base of this bone. What about blood supply to this bone? This bone is primarily supplied by the fourth dorsal metatarsal artery and the fourth plantar metatarsal artery. And that concludes this video on the structure of the fifth metatarsal bone. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.